Oh hey, didn't see you there. With COVID, everything's more touchless, but I have an issue, you know? I don't have a touchless Counter-Strike global offensive. So that's what I spent a week making, so I can play Counter-Strike without hands. Did you know that less than 5% of people who watch my videos are subscribed? Kinda sucks. If you're unsubscribed, please just subscribe. Let's look at some thrilling gameplay. I'm just going to open the script, run it right now after calibrating it. Here's the fun little calibration sequence. I got 70%, which isn't the best I've gotten, but it's not the worst. There's a threshold where my player doesn't move. If I'm closer than that threshold to the camera, it will detect that I gotta go forward. So our mouse is going to move where I'm looking at, hopefully. And hopefully it won't be too bad. You may be asking, how do we buy guns if you can't use a keyboard? Well, the answer is, I've got faces. If it sees one of these players' faces, it buys what's on the back of their card that I configured. Don't think we're gonna get any kills with it. I'll be honest. Okay. Okay, I thought there was a hand there, which is... There is no hand there, game. That's not good. There'll be more clips of me actually doing decent things. Hey, I stopped the defuse. The script sucks. I'm not lying. This is so bad. This is the worst thing I've done that I've spent a good amount of time on. No, please don't. This script is more useful than people you'll get while solo queuing. Because they don't plant the bomb. At least you can plant the bomb with this script. Another plant without hands. How many plants do you get in a CSGO game? Maybe a few? Probably not as many as I am. Clearly it's carrying my bots. I wonder if I'm the first person to win Counter-Strike against bots without using my hands in a completely touchless setup. I have no clue. I did get MVP. I got MVP. I got the most valuable player with no hands.